Hello! Welcome to this tutorial on using style references in AI-generated avatars. Let's begin by generating a simple image with a basic prompt. For this example, we'll generate a painting avatar. The prompt changed the image to a painting style, but it lacks the essence and color richness of real paintings. Here I introduce you to LightX style image feature that will help us capture both composition and style of the image. All right. Let's go ahead and select our style image. See that? The style has transformed the image into a painting masterpiece. Let's compare the two images. The one with the style reference is more artistic and clear, demonstrating how style references can significantly enhance a picture. Next, we'll see how changing the style strength sliders affects the final image. Now, I will select the style image to match the desired aesthetic, and then proceed to write a simple prompt. Now, set the style strength to 100%. As you can see, the result closely resembles the style image. Next, we'll reduce the style strength to 51%. Here's the result: a balanced image where both the style and the prompt contribute equally. Looks good, doesn't it? Finally, let's try a low style strength of around 5%. This time, the style providing just a subtle touch in the output. To wrap up, let's compare the three results side by side, each with different style strengths. This comparison highlights how adjusting the style strength allows you to balance between style and prompt,